What's the matter, big boy? What do you want?
I want some 3/4.
3/4 for what?
So I can get the stands open. So I can get candy.
Why you want candy?
Dad!
What?
I want candy. I do.
You want what?
We want candy and you won't even let us have none.
I won't.
Yes, look, we want some. So give me Ashley 3/4 and me 3/4.
Both of you 3/4?
No. This for me. Both want candy.
You both want candy?
Ashley,
I thought I already gave you guys cookies.
But we want candy.
That's not how you get it.
Please. Can we have candy, please?